Hey guys, welcome to the studio. Today we'll be doing one of my students' favorite projects, Chinese dragons. This is my example here, and I'll show you step by step in just a moment how to draw and paint this dragon. I also want to mention that if you'd like to include Chinese symbols on your artwork, if you just go to Google and type in whatever word you would like and then Chinese symbol, it will show it to you right there so that you can include that in your work. So now I'm going to show you how to get started. The supplies you'll need for today's project are some white paper, a pencil to draw with, any type of paints you wanted to use, or you could even use marker to color it in, or colored pencil, and then some black pens because we'll go back later and add some texture and some outlines. Okay, so now I've finished painting the dragon in, and I'm going to go back in and add some texture. And texture is basically just how something feels or looks like it would feel. And we've got some texture already along the back of the dragon with the spikes. We just kind of want to outline those, and then we're going to add some scales to the dragon's body to give it kind of that scaly texture. We also have like the texture of the shark teeth there, and then the texture of the rain. The way I kind of painted it, it's real watery looking, so it kind of gives the texture of water. So to make the scales, I will just begin by making like a curved line pattern, and I'll follow it around all the way to the tail, and then I'll come back and start at the top of this curved line and go to the next to fill in and add that scaly texture that a dragon would have. And so from this point, I'll just continue outlining and drawing. Hey guys, I hope you had fun watching this video. Now go out and create your own Chinese dragon, and please subscribe for more creative content. Thanks.